Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Netflix login error in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is make sure that you're connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you must do is make sure that the credentials that you're entering are correct and have an active Netflix subscription on them. After that, what you can do is simply head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to search and then search for Netflix. Once you're here, tap on Netflix, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Netflix and try again. After that, you can simply close all apps including Netflix and reopen Netflix. If that too does not work, simply head over to your app drawer, search for Netflix, long press on Netflix, hit uninstall and reinstall it on your device. After that, you can simply try opening Netflix on a browser if the issue still persists, and if the issue persists over there as well, then it is most likely an error on Netflix server side and you may have to wait it out. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.